Hey guys, welcome back to Pink White Diesel, and today I'll be playing this game called Bee Swarm again. And if you guys can see, I actually got like a lot of things. And I went get myself this honey backpack and this like honey dipper. I think that's how it's called. No, I'm just use the slingshot because I'm too lazy. Now let's just finish some quests. And I'll be doing the let's do red plus blue equals gold, which I needed 25,000 blue pollen and 25,000 red pollen. Oh wait, I forgot that I can't go there. I'll just go to the 15 zone. Okay, let's kill this werewolf first. Never mind, I'll just come here. Hello, I'm here to disturb your beach. Oh my gosh, I just got oil. Very nice. Just disturb someone for absolutely no reason. Can I jump over here? Almost. I made it up there, but yes, I made it up. Now I'll just go to Honeybee, talk to Honeybee. Honeybee gave me a quest, which I'll do sometime later. Because now I'm going to the Scorpio farm. I mean, Rose field. Okay. Now to kill the scorpion, you just do this. Don't kill me! 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 I'm too young. I'm too young. So just run in circles until your bees kill it. But jump at the same time because sometimes they just go and take the shortcut. I defeated one, but the other one is not there anymore. Now I'll just be grinding in this field for some time, which is like maybe like 25 minutes or like 5 minutes, 1 minute. I don't care. I'll just use that time. Bye bye. So I am done with the quest, and that is the end of this video. I'll be passing this quest to a black bear, and hope you guys enjoy the video. And black bear, here are coming, and goodbye. I got a gold egg.